Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: insurance, fuel, and acceptable damage levels on your car so it won't be rejected. Once done, open the mission menu and pick Auto Shop with the Use Personal Vehicle tag. This tells the system to register your ride. Make sure to spawn it close to the shop entrance and lock a clear path. If the game asks for roles, assign driver and loaders now so everyone knows their tasks before you drive in. Drive in calmly and follow the GPS to the service bay. Aggressive driving raises damage risk and can void the personal vehicle option. Once at the bay, position your car so the interaction icon appears. This alignment speeds up loading or repair steps. During the core mission phases, handle prompts immediately. Secure cargo, stay near your vehicle for protection, and avoid explosive or collision zones. Make sure teammates know not. Complete the last prompts and accept the payout or vehicle return. The game will either return your car or offer compensation based on condition. If your vehicle becomes disabled, immediately check respawn and mechanic options. Calling the mechanic often retrieves a usable version. If rewards or vehicle status look wrong, use mission replay or logs to document the issue and request a refund through the game's support tools. Remember, quick action and clear documentation solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.